The magic of the whispering willow. Once upon a time, in a charming village surrounded by emerald meadows and tranquil rivers, there lived a young girl named Clara. Clara was known for her boundless curiosity and her love for nature. She spent her days exploring the fields and forests, always eager to uncover their hidden secrets. One sunny afternoon, while wandering along the riverbank, Clara came upon a large, ancient willow tree. The tree's branches hung low, swaying gently in the breeze, and its leaves seemed to whisper secrets to those who would listen. Intrigued, Clara approached the tree and heard a soft, melodic voice calling her name. "Clara, welcome," the voice said. "I am the spirit of the whispering willow. Long ago, this tree was enchanted to protect the magic of the forest, but now its power is waning. I need your help to restore its magic." Clara felt a mixture of excitement and responsibility. "How can I help?" she asked. The spirit of the whispering willow, appearing as a shimmering figure with hair like willow leaves and eyes that sparkled like the river, replied, "To restore the tree's magic, you must complete 3 tasks that will test your courage, compassion, and wisdom." With determination, Clara agreed to undertake the tasks. The spirit explained the first task: you must find the lost song of the forest and return it to the whispering willow. Clara set off into the forest, guided by the whispers of the trees and the songs of the birds. She soon discovered a nightingale that had lost its voice. Using her kindness and gentle words, she comforted the nightingale and helped it find its song again. The bird sang a beautiful melody, which Clara memorized and brought back to the whispering willow. "You have completed the first task," the spirit said, her voice filled with warmth. "For your second task, you must heal the heart of the river." Clara followed the river upstream and found a place where the water was blocked by fallen branches and debris. She carefully cleared the blockage, allowing the water to flow freely again. As the river flowed smoothly, the surrounding plants and animals rejoiced, and the river sparkled with renewed life. "You have completed the second task," the spirit said, her eyes twinkling with approval. "For your final task, you must unite the forest creatures by planting the seed of unity." Clara took the seed of unity from the spirit and found a beautiful clearing in the heart of the forest. She planted the seed and watered it with water from the restored river. The seed quickly sprouted into a magnificent tree with branches that provided shelter and fruit that nourished all the creatures of the forest. The forest creatures gathered around the tree, celebrating their newfound unity and harmony. The spirit of the whispering willow appeared once more, her face radiant with pride. "Clara, you have restored the magic of the whispering willow with your courage, compassion, and wisdom. The forest is once again filled with magic and harmony, thanks to you." Clara returned to her village, where she was celebrated as a hero. She often visited the whispering willow in the forest, where she was always welcomed by the spirit and the magical creatures. Her story was told and retold, inspiring others to cherish and protect the magic of nature. And so, the magic of the whispering willow remained a symbol of unity, harmony, and the power of a pure heart, bringing joy and prosperity to all who heard it. The end.